How to stop Instagram suggesting your account to other people. This tutorial shows you how to adjust privacy settings to reduce account recommendations. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Following that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Now, tap on Settings and Privacy from the menu options. Moving forward, scroll down and tap on Account Center. Afterwards, tap on Who Can See What You Share to access visibility settings. In addition to that, scroll down and look for Profile and Tagging options. Once there, tap on Who Can See Your Profile or similar account visibility settings. Subsequently, you can also go back and tap on Privacy directly from the Settings menu. Moreover, within Privacy settings, scroll down and look for Activity Status. Afterwards, toggle off Show Activity Status to prevent Instagram from using your activity for suggestions. Then, go back to Privacy and tap on Mentions and Tags. Within this section, you can limit who can mention or tag you in posts and stories. Alternatively, scroll down in Privacy and tap on Suggested Accounts. Once there, you may find options to limit how your account is recommended to others. Then, you can also make your account private by going back to Privacy and toggling on Private Account. Within a private account, only approved followers can see your content, and Instagram is less likely to suggest you to strangers. And that's it. If this privacy guide helped you control your Instagram visibility, please like the video, subscribe for more privacy tips, and hit the bell icon to stay informed. See you in the next one.